Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time and nice to meet you. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye
Nice
bye.
to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Yes, we're doing very well. Can you open your camera, please, if you have no problem?
Okay, can you please give me a moment?
Okay, okay. No problem. You can take your time. Hello, ma'am.
Can you see me?
Yes, yes, we can see you. You look so pretty. Thank you so much
All
for
right.
joining with us.
Thank you. No
Um,
problem.
where are you from?
Oh, I'm from South Africa.
South Africa.
So I want to ask, like, what is it exactly that you're going to help me with? Are you going to help me with like the tags? Like I saw you highlighted some channel tags and stuff like that. Like, what does this consist of?
Actually, ma'am, our main job is we will optimize your each videos backend section, and it's about your channel title, your channel description. We have to write by SEO friendly, and also your channel tag. Okay, that's all of our work. And also we will promote your videos by organically. That's mean copy link and share social media. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And then what is it that I have to do from my side?
You have to choose our package. That's mean which type of package you wanna purchase. That's mean small package or long package. And after that we need your channel access, because we have to edit your channel's title description, and we are not able to do it without your channel's permission. But still we no need your channel login information as like password or email, etc., because it's your privacy, and you can share with anyone this type of information. But we just still need your channel access by as a manager or as a editor. Do you know how to give?
How do I give you channel access without giving you a password?
Should I show you
You
how
can
to give?
explain it first before you show.
Now, I think if I show you each and everything, then I think you can understand.
Okay, no problem. It's fine.
Okay. I have to click on our YouTube Studio section. Then I have to click on settings section. It's looking Bengali language, but you can see it's settings. Okay.
Okay.
Click on that. Sorry, it's Bengali language. I think it will be problematic for you. And you can see there's called Onumoti in Bengali, but permission in English. Okay.
Okay. Permissions.
Yes, and in here you can see Nam means name. Okay, and
Okay.
in here it's Bhumika means rule. Okay, and in here
Okay.
you can see this email is Malik. That's mean owner, and
Oh,
you will be the owner
be
of
the
your
owner.
channel. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to add a manager like this, then you can add. This one is manager. If I translate, just give me 1 second. Translator, it's problematic. Manager means manager. Okay.
Okay.
So if you wanna remove your manager, you can remove anytime. If you click on this, just give me 1 second. Sorry for that. I am going to show you another browser. It will be suitable for you, because Bengali language, it's problematic from your side. Yes, it's English.
Okay.
Permission, and then you can see the rule. The first email is owner and this one is
Mm-hmm.
manager. So if you want to remove this manager, then you can just click on and scroll down, then you can remove your manager anytime. Okay, remove access. Okay, so if you wanna add your manager, if you make anyone your channel manager or editor, you can just click on invite section, then you can here you can paste this person's email. Okay, then you can
Okay.
choose access from here. Access, it's YouTube recommended. If you click on there, then you can see a lots of access available. Then and who is
Okay.
access, who is type of, you can see the manager access. Manager can view everything, manage permission, go live and create and edit and delete your content. And if you don't wanna, then you can choose the editor access. Editor can view everything, go live and create and edit content, can't manage permission. Okay, can't manage
Mm.
permission and delete content. That's mean manager can't manage permission and can delete your content. And also you can limited editor limited, then you can see the a lot of access available. So you can choose the your favorite one as like editor limited access and paste the Gmail here and just click on done. And after sending your invitation, we will get a small invitation by our email inbox.
Okay.
Then we can just accept your invitation, and after that we can work on your YouTube channel backend. For example, I can show you right now. Yes, I'm manager of this channel. You can see you are a manager. Okay, I'm manager
Okay.
of this channel at this browser. Okay, you can see that you are a
Yes.
manager. So we can work on your YouTube channel backend like that. Okay, so you can choose your favorite access, what you want to give us.
Okay. So what is a tag? I want to know what is a tag?
Okay, just let me show you that. The tag is I have to go YouTube videos backend. If I edit this video,
Mm-hmm.
if I scroll down, then you can see first one, you know already. This one is title, you know. Okay, so
Yes.
first of all, we have to write SEO friendly title. And after that, we have to write SEO friendly description. And you can see why SEO friendly description is important. Just you can learn from Google, you can learn from YouTube, not from mine.
Mm.
Keep your mouse on this section, then you can get the result, get the message. Writing description with keyword can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. Okay, it's very suitable for search result. Okay, and
Okay.
if you scroll down, just show more, then you can see the text section. It's your text section. Okay, and in here you can see we have put it a lot of keyword: freelancing school BD, freelancing with Rifat, and digital marketing full course, etc., outsourcing, how to get client, and etc., etc. We have put it a lots of keyword, so that when our audience search on YouTube according to my niche, my videos and my channel will shows to them on the top search result. So if you input your channel backend section related your keyword, then your channel will be shows to your targeted audience. Okay,
Mm.
so do you understand that, or should I explain more?
So those are the tags. So only you can do that.
You can do that by your own, but in here, we have to research keyword, because if you just put random keyword, it doesn't work. We have to put keyword
Oh.
after proper research. We have to research your
Oh.
content, and also we have to research your competitor content, and also we have to put here better tech than your competitor, so that you will get better result from them. Okay, good for
Okay.
competitor.
Okay, now I understand. And then if I wanted to ask something, I forgot my question now.
Okay, you can take your
Oh,
time,
okay.
no
And then
problem.
um okay, no, I'll remember that question. Let me ask something else for now.
Okay, no
And
problem.
then when it comes to the packages, like for the payments, how does it work? Like, is it once off or is it like amount by amount,
Okay, so
monthly? How does it work?
okay, then I am explaining. Right now, we have two types of packages available. First one is basic package and weekly package. And in this package, we have to complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion work, your 10 videos. Your 10 videos complete SEO. SEO means your title, description, and text section optimization. And our basic package cost is 120 US dollar, but it's our first project. So I love to give you some discount, and after discount price, 80 US dollar. I mean
Okay.
120 to 80 US dollar for our weekly package. And also we have another
Okay.
package
Yes. Let me
and also
continue.
we have another package that's called premium package and monthly package. And in this package,
Mhm.
we have to complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion work, your 30 videos in 30 days. Also, including your whole channel optimization. Whole channel optimization means your channel has a another additional description. Your channel has another tag part. I can show you. After that, so your channel has another
Okay.
description, so you have to optimize that also. So we gonna optimize your 30 videos complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion, and also your whole channel backend section. And our premium package cost is only 300 US dollar, but after discount it will be only 210 US dollar for you for first month.
Okay. Oh, so is it the premium package? It's $200, 200 USDs per
200,
month,
210.
210 per month.
Yes,
For how many months?
it's you wish. We can do lifetime, there is no problem.
You can do?
We can do for lifetime if you want.
Oh, you don't have like timeline, like for example, months, and you don't have that weeks. You don't have a specific timeline, like you don't have 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Is it any month? It's up to me.
Actually, I have explained you our two package. First one is basic package, weekly package, and second one is a monthly package. So you can choose any package, and after one period, if you see yes, result is coming, and you are satisfied with our work, then you can ask for a 6 month package or 1 hour package, and we can make for you custom and special package for long time. There is no problem, but my recommendation is you can try our monthly package first, because if you satisfied our work, then you can go for long term project. I think it will be better for your point of view. You can taste our result.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time and nice to meet you. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye
Nice
bye.
to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Nice to meet you too.